lesson from a birthday letter, 5th class, workbook part. This is activity from worksheet 8.2, 4th Roman, page number 131. Read the following words from the reading text and write its synonym and antonym selecting from the words given. One has been done for you. Base words లకు synonym antonym లను రాయండి. Hidden, clever, dear, freeze, ever, start, known, never, foolish, enemy. These are the words we use to write synonyms and antonyms to the given base word. Here is one example. Good. For good, synonym is great and antonym is bad. For stop, synonym is freeze. For stop, synonym is freeze. Synonym means same meaning. Antonym is start. Next, always is base word. For this word, synonym is ever. Synonym is ever. Antonym is never. Secret is the base word. For this word, synonym is hidden. And antonym is known. For the base word wise, synonym is clever. Antonym is foolish. For friend, synonym is dear. Antonym is enemy. Next, 5th Roman. Study the following table and write at least 5 sentences. One has been done for you. పట్టిక ఆధారంగా sentences రాయండి. I, you, we, they, he, never. By adding never to these 5 words and also these remaining sentences, we should form one meaningful sentence. Look at the example. I never do anything in secret. This is the example. Like this we should write. Next, after I we have to start with you never do you never do anything in secret. Here S or ES is there in the brackets. If it is he, we should add S or ES to the verb. For I, you, we, they, we should not add S or ES to the verb. That's why you. For you, we never add S or ES to do the verb. Next, we never fight. After we should not use S or ES to the verb. That's why we have to first form. We have to write first form only. Fight with others. They never plastic. For he, you can write SRES to the verb. For he never comes late to school. We can write another example by using he to understand SRES where it comes. He never eats junk food. Next, worksheet 8.3 from a birthday letter lesson, English 8th lesson, 5th class. Do the following exercises based on the reading text. Fill in the blanks by choosing the appropriate answer given in the brackets. సరైన జవాబుల నుంచి ఖాళీలను పూరించండి. Here there are answers. So we have to choose which is correct one and write the answer. At the time of writing this letter, Nehru was in Lahore prison, Naini prison. Naini prison. This is the right one. Naini prison. Dash led the great freedom movement. Ambedkar, Gandhiji. The answer is Gandhiji. Who led the freedom fight? Gandhiji. In the great freedom movement, there was no room for secrecy. Stolen the hearts means dash inspired. These are the answers. Here are some statements based on the letter. Put a tick mark in the column if the statement is true and put cross mark if the statement is false. సరైన స్టేట్మెంట్ టిక్ కానిచో ఇంటూ పెట్టండి. నెహ్రూ వాజ్ imprisoned for taking part in the freedom movement. Nehru was imprisoned for taking part in the freedom movement. Yes. Imprisoned and prisoned are same meanings. Indira never got any present on her birthday. Yes or no? Indira never got any present on her birthday. Is yes. Nehru always enjoyed advising his daughter. No. Writing a letter is not equal to a discussion because it's always one-sided process. Yes. History speaks of great periods only of the nation's men and women. Yes. The desire to hide anything shows that you are brave. No. Under Bapuji's leadership, there was no scope for secrecy or hiding. Yes. This is worksheet 8.4 vocabulary from a birthday letter lesson. Fill in the blanks with opposite words of the underlined words choosing from the box. Opposite words తో ఖాళీలను పూరించండి. Cold, shortest, warm, fast, found. Have you lost your pen? Here lost is the underlined word, so we have to write the opposite word to the given underlined word. It is lost. For lost, opposite of lost is found. But I have found it. I like a hot lunch. Here the underlined word is hot, but not a dash one, cold one. Opposite of hot is cold. Raju is the tallest boy in our class, but Ramu is. For tallest, the opposite of tallest is shortest. Today is cool outside, but yesterday was. Here Opposite of cool is warm. I am a slow runner, but Sanjay is a dash runner. Opposite of slow is fast. Choose the correct word and write in the box provided. సరైన దాని నుంచి జవాబు రాయండి. Question, examples, answers. The letter L is silent in the word. In offs or valves. Valves. Here L letter is silent in offs. The word offs. Here, which means silent word means silent letter means we should not pronounce that letter in the word. Here, how do we read it? Offs. So that's why we should not pronounce that L. So L is silent here in offs. The letter T is silent in the word depot. Here, how should we pronounce it? Depot, not depot. That's why T is silent here. The letter P is silent in the word receipt. The letter P is silent in receipt. How do we pronounce it? Receipt is not pronunciation, receipt. The letter B is silent in the word B. Humbly, dumbness. Here, dumbness. Dumb. Should not pronounce dumb. We should pronounce as dumbness. The letter K is silent in the word key, knee. Here, knee. How do we pronounce it? Knee. Here, K is silent. Next, here is matching antonyms. Antonyms the jataparchandi. Draw a line to match the antonyms below. Here, some words are here and antonyms are here. We should match both the word and antonym to the given word. New. For new, the antonym of new is old. Antonym means opposite word. So, opposite word of new is old. Antonym of new is old. Next, fast, slow. Antonym of fast is slow. Tall. Antonym of tall is short. Loud. Antonym of loud is quiet. Antonym of loud is quiet. All. Antonym of all is none. Dark. Go. Antonym of go is stop. Dark. Antonym of dark is light. These are the antonyms of these given words. Next, read the following sentences from the reading text and observe the meanings of the underlined words. Rewrite the same sentences using suitable synonym from the word pool given below. ఇచ్చిన సెంటెన్స్ సినోనిమ్స్గా చేర్చి రాయండి. Synonyms are same meanings to the word. Antonyms are opposite words to the word. So we have to write here synonyms to the underlined words. For receiving, which word is synonym for receiving? Is accepting. For dislike, synonym oppose. For stolen, according to the lesson, stolen synonym of stolen is inspired. For decide, synonym of decide is agree. For brave is confident. These are the synonyms of given underlined words. We should rewrite the sentences by using synonyms instead of these underlined words. For receiving, we should write accepting. For dislike, oppose. For stolen, inspired. For decide, agree. For brave, confident.